Hello beautiful people, it's Carla Stevenné, and today I'm sharing with you a brand new wig that I got from Geniuswigs. I already have on my own wig cap. I'm going to put on my Velcro band. You guys know I kickstart off my wig videos right on, okay, quickly, okay. So I'm going to share with you guys some specs and the details of the inside of the wig before I get it on. But in the box, they give you a nice comb, which I'm going to be using, which is perfect because this is a wet and wavy style. Yes, you read the title, and I'm sharing with you guys this super sweet wig. So it's from Geniuswigs. I love the packaging that it comes with, okay? Geniuswigs, a nice little box here. You're going to get your comb. They give you an elastic band that you have the option to sew onto your wig for added security. I already cut off the lace, okay? The wig came wrapped in the netting to keep its shape as usual. And then there are two wig caps that it comes with. Two, okay? But I already have one on. So I'm going to take the wig out of the plastic bag that it also comes with. I'm going to read for you some of the specs on this hair. So I do have a coupon code below for $10 off. It's 10 Carla, and you're going to get $10 off. There is free shipping all over the world, FedEx or DHL 2 to 4 days, and free exchange or return for brand new wigs within 7 days. I want to thank Geniuswigs for sponsoring this video and sending me this lovely hair. The inside of the wig has a lot of lace space. It's already parted in the middle. I'm going to have the link below. It is, let's see, a 16-inch wig. The density is 180%, which is a lot. And the dry texture of the hair is Yaki straight. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys what it looks like before we get it into the wet and wavy, because this hair can go from straight to wavy, okay? Yaki straight to a wet and wavy. So I'm really excited to share with you guys that effect when I spray it with the water bottle. But let's first get the wig on. So there are adjustable straps. We have 3 combs at the top and then 1 at the very bottom with our adjustable straps. So let's go ahead and adjust our adjustable straps to the tightest possible level. So when you first receive the hair, it's going to have the straight look, but it goes from straight to wavy and curly, okay? So it could be curly, it could be straight, and it's super awesome. I'm going to share with you guys that effect. So when I put this wig on, it's going to have the Yaki straight texture. Obviously, you can get it straighter if you use a straightener, or you can even curl it with a, heated curler. But we are using this wig in the wet and wavy style. So let's get this wig on. Wow, it sits so nice on my head. Really perfect. But I love how it sits and how natural it is looking already without having to do much. So honestly, I'm not even going to do baby hairs because I think it looks so good. Some wigs just don't need it. Okay, so it looks very, very natural. So I'm not even going to have to do anything. I'm not even going to need concealer. I'm not going to need powder. It just blends so effortlessly and so nicely. So the instructions say to spray some water, wait 2 minutes, and then the hair will become curly. It says the curls will hold forever until you flat iron the hair again, and it will not become loose no matter how many times you transfer it. So let's try and see how this is gonna work. Here's what it looks like all around. I can run my fingers right through it, and this 180% density is giving me life. I love the thickness, and I will have obviously the links to shop below. I'm so excited to share with you guys this super cool effect with this wig. Let's test out the comb and see how that is working. So yeah, it's working really well. And keep in mind, my hair is short and blonde underneath, so that goes to show how well fit this wig is without having a lot of hair. It's fitted on my head so nicely, and it looks so good. So the hair is super soft, absolutely no shedding, which I love. So let's just get straight into getting this hair to be that wavy look. So I'm taking my water bottle and I'm just gonna start at the ends and work my way up. They say to wait 2 minutes and it's gonna be wavy. So let's see how this works. You guys see it's straight. I don't know why I'm using that mirror. I'm gonna use this mirror right in front of me. Okay, you guys, I'm excited to see this effect. As of now, it is still straight. They said wait 2 minutes and then it's going to be wavy and curly. So this is actually really cool. I'm excited to see the results. We're just gonna do this together. And yeah, let's just see how this turns out here. I'm gonna take my comb so the water can be evenly distributed. Spraying it all. Ooh. Do not spray my laptop now. On my laptop right there. Oh, I see it starting to happen. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, what? Okay, let's spray the other side. This is cool. You guys are really here live for this. I have my camera equipment. OMG, this is so cool. It's like literally wet and wavy, you guys. Magic. Whoa. Whoa. You guys are seeing this live. This is serious. Wow, you gotta wait 2 minutes. Good thing I read the instructions. What? Is anybody else like amazed right now? So I'm making sure I get every bit of this with water because I'm shook. It is literally transforming into curly and wavy. Okay, I'm shook. Because normally, that's how you know this is like really wet and wavy, you guys. Is actually what the title says. Don't forget my coupon code. It's going to be listed in the description to shop. I know you guys are loving this. I know you guys are loving this because when you go out for the summer, so I sprayed this side first so it's curling up before. What? This is amazing. I love it. I love it. The link is below to shop. OMG. I did not know it was going to be like this. I was like, okay, wet and wavy. Okay, we'll see. No cap. They were serious. Oh, now I'm like obsessed. I'm like, my waves are coming. Now that is a look. It is so wet and wavy and curly and natural. So yeah, you gotta wait. You gotta wait for it to activate. Now that is so cool. You're witnessing this live. Obviously not literally live, but I'm talking about you're witnessing the transformation on video. That it's actually really happening. Okay. I'm shook. I'm happy. I can't even believe this. It literally took 2 minutes, like they said. Hold up. Just spray up your hair. Don't mind my blonde hair on the side. I just want to make sure I spray every bit of it with water without spraying my makeup. So let's go up in here too, because now I'm like having fun with this. Now I'm like, okay, we really like, it's really out here doing this. This looks so natural. Like you would think that this was my actual hair. It makes it so easy to style your hair. OMG. And I'm so happy with the length. I got 16 inches. It's so full, you guys. It is so full. It's gorgeous, honestly. Here's what it looks like all around. Gorgeous. Such a different look than if you were to get like an already curly texture. This is different. It's not like a deep wave or a body wave. It's literally like a wet and wavy. Like, it looks so natural, as if this was... Just look at it, please. Like, I don't know what to tell you. You guys saw that live. I'm not cutting out anything. I want you guys to really see how that just transformed on camera. No edit. Like, I sprayed it with the water, and then it somehow became this big, pretty waviness that I feel like is so on point for summer. I mean, imagine, you guys, in the summer, imagine you straightened your hair out and then it starts raining and then it's still straight. It's like, clearly that's not your real hair. But imagine if it starts raining, but you have all your wet and wavy, and then it starts waving up and they're like, oh girl, we see what your inches, like, that's your real hair, girl. And you're like, yeah, it's my hair, I paid for it. It's my hair, I paid for it. It looks so good though. Let me know how you guys like it in the comments below. I am so happy with this hair from Geniuswigs. I will have it linked below. Don't forget to check out my coupon code in the description. I'll add all of the added details, but this hair literally goes from straight to wavy and curly. I love it. I can't stop smiling. I'm just so happy, okay? So I'm gonna take some pictures for the thumbnail and stuff, and I really hope that you found this video helpful for finding your next wig. Definitely be sure to check me out in my next YouTube video, and don't forget to shop on Geniuswigs for your wet and wavy hair, all right? I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.